What's up? How's it going, guys? Sorry I'm a little late. Trying to make something come together. Last second. But welcome. How you guys doing? 14 people. I feel blessed. God damn. Woo! Let's get it going, guys. I'm wearing a purple freaking sweater today. I feel secure in myself. You know what I'm saying? 14 people. I need a haircut. See my hair doing this shit now. You don't care? Stop listening to me. You know how it goes, guys. You know how it goes. But hey, welcome. This is Crypto and Coffee. If you're new, 14 people. You guys probably not new. I do Crypto and Coffee every Sunday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I do another live stream during the week on Wednesdays called Crypto Kickback. That's 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Loosey-goosey. I got a little format. We go over some macro charts. We look at some altcoins. If we want to read some news, it is what it is. Cheers. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to do a giveaway on the stream. Some generous people of the Bitcoin Cash community reached out because it's Bitcoin Cash Day, BCH Day. And I think that they're inviting some people to come on the stream, and in celebration of that, trying to do a little giveaway. They donate some funds, so that's awesome. Thank you very much, BCH community, for doing that. Just kind of not 100% ready though. I'm trying to get the QRs. So what I'm gonna do is like flash QRs up on the what do you call it? On the screen. And then you got to download the bitcoin.com wallet, or I guess any BCH wallet, right? And then you scan that QR code. First person to do it gets the money. Last time I did this, some shit like this, everyone's like, oh, well, it's the same guy's getting the same thing. I don't know how to fix that, okay? I'm sorry. I'm just one dude on the internet. But we're going to do that a little later. I got to download these things real quick. Damn. Shit. What am I doing? Okay. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. How you guys been? Chilling? Relaxing? Acting all cool? Shooting some b-ball outside of school? Couple of guys, no up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little fight. My mom got scared. Was it my mom? She said I'm moving to Bel Air. You know what I'm saying? That's Fresh Prince. I'm dating myself. I don't care. What up? Happy Sunday. You guys good? Give me 1 second. BCH QRs. I like to have everything ready to go, but today's not one of those days. My bad. Bang. Bang. I think these QRs, guys, are $20 of BCH a piece. There's a total of 5 of them. Right? That's good. It's $100 of BCH, guys. You guys better be showing love to the Bitcoin Cash community because, you know, they be showing out. All right. I think we're ready to go. Okay. Cool. Where the hell is my shit at? Okay. I'm ready. 15 people. I'm going to say what's up to people. Then I'm going to just do the QRs incrementally. How about that? Sound good? How'd you guys like the last video? Cycle, 4-year cycle. You guys haven't seen my last video. I think it's pretty useful, especially if you're not familiar with the 4-year cycle. One of the things that I ran into when I was, got into crypto and stuff, I wasn't aware of cyclicality. It's not even a word. How cyclical it was. And I got wrecked. And I say, you know what? Not this time around. I can't be getting other people wrecked. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are gonna get wrecked, it's gonna be on your own damn accord. You know what I'm saying? I gotta let the people know though. Hey Dub, I see you watching. Make sure you do the rotating fingers thing with your fingers. It's fire. What, this? What thing? Rotate my fingers? Hey, you think I'll get views doing this? Probably not. I don't know. Internet's a weird place, man. People, you click on shit I would never even click on. But, different strokes for different folks. What's up, bro? My 4th live in a row. Hey, that's tight, man. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for all my regulars. Thanks for the new people. Thanks for thinking. You know how it is, man. We talked about some cool stuff. Last live stream was cool. We got in a whole bunch of shit. I mean, you can only talk about crypto for so long. We can talk about other like relevant shit, right? Like that goes on in the world. So that's cool. I'm open book unless it gets like super duper weird or nasty or whatever. Then I'm gonna like politely decline that. But wherever you guys want to go, we could take it. Life, you are blessed. Action. What up, Wolfpack? Solid week. Not bad. And so are you. Okay, they're talking to each other. Crypto total market cap at 1.646 trillion. Plant the seeds and watch your garden grow. Derek. I've been looking at the charts, Derek. I saw something this morning. I was like, no, that's got to be a glitch. I look at another chart. No, it's not a glitch. I look another. It's on 3 charts. Glitches don't typically happen on 3 separate charts. I'm going to show you guys what I found on the market cap. On the market cap, specifically the altcoin market cap and the Bitcoin dominance. I saw that and I said, holy shit. Are we going to the moon? Moon time. Where the hell's Dab Master at? 18 people, what's up? Yo, Dub, let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Starting to think of ways to tax write-offs. Think of pulling some profits and starting an ice cream arcade business. Man, you gotta look out for the young people, man. The future, you know. Arcades though, shit. They still got arcades? That's the thing still? I mean, with Steam and all that, you know, like laptops and arcade. But ice cream, that's always in season, man. Always in season. Maybe like ice cream, what do you call it? Truck that goes around. Well, that's weird. Is it weird? Is that a thing anymore? I don't know. Do kids like ice cream? I don't know. 17 people, what's up? My big question, DGB $1 or more than that? Bro, I've been saying DGB like 150. No, I'm 150. I got to specify. I've been saying DGB $1.50 because its all-time high last time was like 15 cents. You know, just put a 0 at the end, 150. But, you know, you going to be mad if you hit $1 DGB? No. 17 people. I like it a lot. Hold up. Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and do the first one, though. You know, let's go ahead and do the first one. Oh, before I do that, I got y'all attention now, huh? Got your attention now? You guys paying attention now? Okay, cool. Before I do all that, I want to show my shit, okay? So real quick, you guys know I got this store together, so check it out. But before we get to that good, allow me to shill myself. Want to wear the freshest crypto merchandise offered on the internet? Make sure to come visit the DubDigital merch store. Link can be found in the pinned comment below. Hey, I did a freaking pre-recorded ad. I like it. 20 people. Hey, they like it too. I'm getting all professional and shit, man. So proud of myself. Okay, next one. We're going to be looking at, I got to share my screen, man. Damn. Share. Yes, I want to share it. Let me do this. DubDigital with 2 U's. That's my Twitter handle. I tweet out a whole bunch of stuff. Got my stream like frequency right here. Also linked to my merch store as well. I shoot out pretty much all my videos. I also go back and timestamp these live streams, so it's not just like a podcast format. Like I know some of you guys like that long form, but some of you guys are like, I ain't got time for that. I'm like, okay, chill out, man. I'm gonna timestamp it for you, so you can come back and like use it like an encyclopedia of knowledge. I got all this crypto shit in my head, man. I gotta impart it on the world. I can't just like not help the people, man. Okay, and also if you get disconnected, come follow me on Odyssey. It's a blockchain. It's like a decentralized video platform. All my videos get like synced up automatically when I upload to YouTube onto here. It's backed up on the blockchain. There's no censorship. If I get kicked out for YouTube, because YouTube's getting a little weird now, I'll be here. We can live stream here and you get paid in LBC, which is a cryptocurrency. I get compensated in a cryptocurrency, LBC as well. And no advertisements. I know some of you don't like the advertisements, but it's like, hey, you know, it is what it is. Cool. We got it all out of the way. You guys good? Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Okay. We're going to go ahead and do the first giveaway. So you guys by now should probably have downloaded bitcoin.com wallet where you can be able to scan a QR code and receive BCH, Bitcoin Cash, in celebration of Bitcoin Cash Day. Independence Day? Is that what it was? Believe so. Bitcoin Day. Let's just say Bitcoin Cash Day, not Bitcoin Day. God damn it. They're gonna hate me now. Okay. All ready? In 3, 2, 1, and I'll leave it up for 10 seconds. First person to do it gets it. Just scan it. And first come, first serve. Bang. How was that? Anyone get it? Make sure to respond down below. If you got it, I'm going to check. I'm going to check real quick. Who got it? Who got it? I got to know who got the money, man. That was the first one. $20 in Bitcoin Cash. Hey, guys, like it. I'm going to do it throughout the live stream. Incentivize you guys to stay on the stream. Shout out to Bitcoin Cash for supporting the homies. No one got it? Who got it? Put it in the comments or the chat or whatever the hell it's called. 25 people. What's good? No one got it. Oh, hey. Thank you, Dub. You got it? Joseph, how we get it? You got to get a wallet mainly on your phone. Bitcoin Cash wallet where you could scan a QR code. You can get one of those wallets by downloading the bitcoin.com wallet. It allows you to scan QRs for Bitcoin Cash. Wasn't me, but congrats. I think BSO Bullish got it. Is that right? Okay. I don't know. As far as I know, it went through. Hey, okay, cool. Hey, $19.69. Thanks, Dub. Don't thank me. Thank you to the Bitcoin Cash community. Very generous people. I appreciate that. Awesome, awesome. Okay. We have 4 more of those. About $20 in Bitcoin Cash. Shit. What have I been saying about Bitcoin Cash? How much? I've been saying like what? $1,000? I'm sticking to it. Why? Because I don't back off. I don't back off my position just when I have a little adversity. That's not me. Let's check it out. Let's see Bitcoin Cash. What's it doing? What's it doing? $500, $542. Down 0.16%. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Because this thing already ran up when everything's popping off in May up to $1,500. Now it's currently sitting at a third of what it used to be. So that $20 should in theory turn into 60. And once it reaches back up to 4,000, should be over $100. Hey, everyone thought it was dead down here. I was buying this shit at $300. Ran up again. And if it hits up past 1,000, you really think that's the last impulse? If you're a crypto bull, you don't know. No, that's ridiculous. Very good. Very good, guys. Okay. Cool stuff. We got 4 more of those. I'm going to do it throughout the stream. Let me finish saying what's up. We got people in here now. What'd you guys think of that last video though? Your lifestyle. Okay. Okay, people saying what's up. I like that. We got to get our hand stretches in. You get too bullish, you pull a muscle. Come on. Hand stretches in 3, 2, 1. Keep it up. We got to practice grabbing the money, man. Oh, shit. Where are they going? Got to keep it light, guys. Got to keep it light. You know what I'm saying? 25 people, what's good? Dad Master J, yo, I'm in here. Be pro. Dad Master, did you buy one of those NFTs? Dang, he bought it with those B Pro gains. You guys just joined. We're doing a giveaway. We're doing giveaways in Bitcoin Cash. Fucking Chihuahua, man. This dog doesn't chill, man. Anyone got a rock or a brick? I'm kidding. I don't condone this. But we're giving away Bitcoin Cash. Download the Bitcoin.com wallet. I know you can scan QRs for Bitcoin Cash using it. First come, first serve. When I throw QRs up, I'm going to do it throughout the stream. You miss out, too bad. So sad. Yes, that was my goal since this first bull run. I figured I'd build foundation for the next bull run. Okay. Let me just say what's up to people. I got to say what's up. Everything will follow Bitcoin. Don't give up on your bags. Bitcoin is direction. It's the largest cap crypto. It's direction. Yeah, and I know this is altcoin channel and people don't like hearing that, but it's like, it gives people the most confidence, especially people who come in here the first time. You know, they're hearing the narratives for the first time. You guys are very nuanced. You're all up in it, all up in protocols, but you're not the typical. We're the minority now. It used to just be all about all of us nerds that just knew about crypto running around like this protocol because it. Now we got a whole bunch of people who ain't never heard of Bitcoin and don't really care about Bitcoin. They just want to make a fat bag, you know? So this is where the psychology of understanding how the mass majority of people and investors think, not just your own. Got to step into another set of shoes, you know? People just be looking at Bitcoin. They don't got time to hear about all these other altcoins. You think they got time for that? That's us. That's us. You know? So like once people start seeing Bitcoin moving up, then they'll start being like, well, what else is out there? Because, hey, I don't know if you guys know, but my viewership tanked when all this stuff tanked. It's telling me that people, they think with their heart. You know? They're thinking with their heart. So once the bullishness, the exuberance, the enthusiasm comes back, then everything else will start to move again. It makes sense when you think about it like that. 31 people, what's good? I used to think on my heart, guys, but now I use the force. You know? I be catching flies and shit. Like, just kidding. Nasty? I heard they got a lot of protein. Big party and PR when I'm rich. You all are invited. I am? Thanks, dude. Thanks. EV1 light your bellows to EOS. I don't know what that means. Que paso? Whoa, Blind Dave. Blind Dave is bilingual too? Blind Dave. Man of many talents. Got 30 people on the chat. What's up? It's the man himself. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, man. I gotta learn how to use these goddamn water skis. I bought them. They sit on my freaking wall. Yeah, you guys are welcome to come on over after we freaking get rich as hell. Like, I got a couple seats over here. 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 in back. 7 seats. God damn it. 29 people. Okay. Let me catch up. I'm falling behind. Then we're gonna get into the macro stuff. You guys want to stick around for the giveaway and also the macro charts because I saw something pretty freaking crazy a couple minutes before. That's why I was late. Partly why I was late. I was like being a nerd. I was like, oh, charts. What's that? Oh shit. You know? Without volatility, there can be a fantastic gains. We need the occasional deep dive. No fantastic gains. Of course, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. You want to get to $1 million? You want to get to $250,000? How are you going to get there with no dips? You know, this ain't 30-year equities. This ain't consistent gainers. You know, this isn't dividends. You happen to jump in to the most volatile asset class ever known to mankind. Welcome. You must have an appropriate risk appetite. Goes up high, goes down low. Makes most people want to throw the hell up. And I'm over here just like, be the Gainz. I used to freak out, man. Not anymore. I'm not freaking out no more. It is what it is. I'm trying to get rich as hell. We got the wolf pack here. It ain't the puppy pack. Morning, Dub. What's up? BCH giveaway? On-screen QR code scanning? Yes. That's what we're doing, guys. BCH giveaway in celebration of the Bitcoin Cash Day. Donated by the Bitcoin Cash community. Much thanks. We already gave the first one away. They're in increments of $20 in BCH. QR on the screen for 10 seconds. Download the Bitcoin.com wallet so you can scan that. First come, first serve. Charles. Celebrating with the pack. That shit ain't purple, B. It is, man. It looks blue because I got that ring light. But you know, purple is the color of royalty. I be feeling royal as shit. Buenos dias. Hold. What's up, man? Buenos dias. ¿Qué pasa? Good morning, Wolfpack. Future still looking bright. I think so. You got shades on, Zeke. Oh, shit. Holla. Give it some time. I'm still sitting on 50 million SHIB. Day. SHIB, man. See, that's... Guys, watch the... Let's look at that real quick. I gotta look at that. If you guys want to know where the... I'm not gonna say dumb money. New money is. Watch the coins that the new money jumps into, right? That's a good indicator, right? It's a leading indicator for like irrationality returning to the markets. SHIB's still basing out. But look, it's you see how I'm talking about that bottom trend line? It goes down steep, less steep, flattens out a little bit, flattening out. If it doesn't make any lower lows, it's starting to round up a little bit. This thing's impulsive as hell. This is an indicator, so is Doge. What's Doge doing? I think Doge is a little better indicator. But SHIB is a great indicator for it getting really like crazy stupid, you know? Caught a good little bounce here. What's it look like close up? Yeah, looks okay. It still probably got some time. 33 people, what's up? Bitcoin Cash, money. Awesome, BCH. 4-year cycle vid was brilliant. Hey, Wayne, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. I think it was good. I think like when you really lay it out, quarter to quarter, fiscal year to fiscal year, it makes sense. It makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like at a certain point, it's like you got to keep it in perspective somewhat. And I told you I'm going to change my tune at some point because I couldn't sit here and pump you guys up and like, go. But then it's like somewhat irresponsible of me, right? At some point, the party stops. How do I know? The party stopped on my ass. That shit sucked, man. I was over here like, where's my money at? And I was listening to YouTubers that told me it was never going to end. That's why I say I'm going to carry a portion of my gains in Bitcoin into Q1 2022 in case I'm wrong. But whatever you carry into that year, you also have to be okay with it going down too. It can go up or down. And I think that's what people forget when the cycle top comes. It don't feel like it's ever going down. But you have to be okay with that. You also have to be okay with selling into, like, if you follow the 4-year cycle, selling at like December-ish time frame or whatever you decide to sell at, and missing potential gains on the upside. It's all about, in my mind, once you get money, risk mitigation. That's what you're going to hear about all big money talk about. Whenever you have people with big portfolios or they're trying to manage their risk. You know, small money typically focuses on opportunity costs. Like, if I jump into here, how much money can I get? It's all a cash grab. You know, big money, they're more in like stability, a little more safety. How much money can I lose? Right? And once you get a lot of money, you somewhat have to switch that standpoint. You don't have to do whatever the hell you want. But you switch that standpoint because you're used to thinking in the aggressive growth phase. But once you get the money, your portfolio balance is different. It's bigger. You're in a different financial position. Now you have to kind of switch that. And it doesn't feel normal if you don't usually think in that way. You know what I'm saying? 36 people, what's up? I lost the giveaway already. LOL, I'm slow as a mug. It's all good. It's all good. You know what? You know why it's all good? Because we might do another one soon. How long has it been? 25? Oh, we can do another one now. How you guys feel about that? Want to do another one now? Okay. In 3, well, I'll give you a second. Get your wallet, get your QRs up. Come on. Click the Bitcoin.com thing. Scan QR. Is it up? You guys good? In 3, 2, 1. QR will be up for 10 seconds. First come, first serve. $20 in Bitcoin Cash. Goes back to its cycle high of $1,500. It will be $60. If it goes back to all-time high, it will be more than that. And that's it. That's it. Who got it? Who got this? Put it down in the chat. Who won that? I need to know. I want to know. Wow, I got it. Thank you, Dub. Chris. That's what's up. That's awesome. Give homage. Give thanks to the Bitcoin Cash community. This is all the donation. Awesome. In celebration of Bitcoin Cash Day. Moon time. I just like saying that shit now. My girl's like, you say that too much. And I'm like, moon time. I'm in a strange mood today, guys. So we went through 2 of them already. Let me get back to where I was at. Elizabeth, thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Much thanks. Much thanks. Thanks for everyone who buys any merch, gives me any super chats, watches my videos, gives me likes. Please give me a like on this. Helps me out. Help support the channel, cover cost. You know, it's all gravy for me. Thank you. Put all coins into a spreadsheet, developing a sell plan. Where do you see Cosmos and OXT going in this bull run? Really like the 4-year cycle video. Good. I'm glad. I'm glad people liked it. It gives a methodology. It helps you understand that I'm not just some idiot on the internet, right? I could make things look nice too, you know, but where do I see Cosmos and OXT going? See, that's a hard one because they're new coins. You know how I like to value like coins, but they have previous price cycle highs. With new coins, it's like shit. Like I don't got nothing to work with. I don't have. See, the way and what my profession that I came from, a white collar world, was all about extrapolation from previous price history, right? Like adjusting things for inflation and material costs and all that. How do you price something that has no price history? You know what I'm saying? How do you price something that has no price history? That's why I think time targets for things like that make much more sense. I plan to sell new assets of this cycle around that time period I identified, Q4 this year, November, December, because that's when typically the altcoin market cap and the total crypto market cap is at its highest. And that's the point of which the most money could be flowing into OXT and Cosmos. You understand what I'm saying? So as far as the particular price point, that's a hard one. Will Cosmos catch this super buzz and interoperability comes out of nowhere at the end of the cycle? It could. Or is it going to be VPN catching the buzz? It could be that too. What I would say to you though is, with things like that, identify a percentage that you'd like to hit. Is it 5x? Is it 10x? And pull some profit on there, right? And then at a certain point, what I would do, not financial advice, y'all are adults, do whatever you want, you know? But what I would do is, okay, I would do that, right? Okay, 5x, I'm going to pull this amount or this percentage. 10x, I'm going to pull this percentage. And then at a certain point, you've covered your, what do you call it? Initial expense, right? You're whole. You've either covered that investment amount or you've made money on it. And at that point, you could say, I'll let the rest ride until X, you know, December, Q1, 2022, whatever you want to do. But at a certain point in time, you need to look at it as like, how much did this investment cost me? Am I still in the red on this? No, then I can be much more liberal letting it ride. But hey, Cosmos, we could see it. We could check it out real quick. I'll stop being lame. But I just want to put that caveat just to help you guys understand how I think about investments. I try to play with house money. Once I play with house money, I'm gonna let that shit run for me. 32 people, what's up? Almost 13 bucks. This thing hit upwards of $28. Yo, to be honest, Cosmos only has like 276 million supply. This thing's interoperable. GravityDex is already released. It's plugged in with China. It's plugged in. We got the European Union talking about it. Go watch my video, my altcoin gem playlist on Cosmos. I break it all out for you. Something like that, that's barely even recognized, that fell down to death already, hitting a double bottom. And I know you bought in the blood on this. So you got, what, single digits, right? Like $9? Shit, I think this thing could hit for sure like triple digits. It's at 100, it's at 200. See, then that's where it starts to become a guessing game. I could tell you anything. I could be like any of these YouTubers out here pumping you up $900, $1,000, you know, triple digits. If you could pull a 10x, I think it could do it. Not financial advice, but I think it could do it. You know, focus on your percentage, and then at a certain point in time, sell at, if you believe the 4-year cycle, sell at a date. Be happy with what you got. You know, at the end of the day, guys, at the end of the day, just got to keep it real. There's a thin line between greed and maximizing profit. You're going to see it. You're going to see it. Just look around. Look at Twitter. Look at YouTube. This and that. Remember the people who told you crypto was dead on this last dip. Remember who it was. Remember the channels. They told you. Sell your shit. Crypto's pumping up again. Could I be speaking prematurely? Yes, I could, but I don't think I am. Look at, people are so emotional. It's stupid, man. Oh, it's going down. Oh, sell it. Oh, it's going up. It's the truth. It's forever. They just go off how they feel. You know, don't be that person. Know that like whatever you do and however you execute in this, you came out with more money than you went in with. If you did that, winning. You're doing better than 80% of people. If you came in with a lot more, awesome. If you got 4x, if you got 10x, where else in the world are you going to do it? Nowhere. This is crypto. You know, so like, is it possible you don't execute perfectly this time around? Yeah, especially if you're new, especially if this is the first time you're doing it. But if you multiplied your bag, if you got a 3x on all your money, I know a lot of people in the world would not complain about it. 37 people, what's up? Just ordered the gray t-shirt? Oh, jeez, man. Sean, what you smoking today? Or is it too early? Platinum cookies? That great shit, man. Yeah, man. Hey, I appreciate that, man. I got more on the way. I'm just waiting for samples because I don't like to like put things up and it's trash. It looks cool on the website, but like I want to make sure it's tight. So this is the first design. It's just my logo and stuff. I have like 4 more already made, ready to go. Just waiting for the samples. Squad. Moon Squad. That's one too. You'll see. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. 42 people. Wow. See, that's what I call the live stream indicator. You got people start sneaking back up in here. Sneaking back up in here. Huh? Looking around and say, oh, crypto's not dying. Oh, shit. Missed last vid. Challenging other disabled promoting free money of steal formless checks from taxpayers. Teach another to fish. I don't know what that means, but you're teaching other disabled people how to get like free monies. I like it. So guys, if you don't know Blind Dave, very interesting story. Blind Dave, we're going to have you come on so I could tell people your story, man. Inspirational shit. Good morning. Just watched your 4-year cycle vid. I have a question, still learning, but it is better to buy before the bull run happens, even if it's as low as you like, not as low as you like. Yeah, no problem. So like basically, guys, the 4-year cycle, and that's a perfect jump off point. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin index, right? Okay. I'll be messing around a lot. My bad. Okay, guys, so if you haven't seen my video, I just kept adding and adding. I'm adding on this chart for a couple weeks now. So I finally got a point where I think it's like digestible, usable. Okay. So basically what you're saying is, okay, should I buy now even though I want it to be lower? Well, at a certain point, man, just because you want it to be lower doesn't mean it's possible. And just because you want it to go higher doesn't mean it's possible. It's all about living within reality here. This is actually the time when it was the best to buy in this capitulation. But guess what? No one bought because it felt bad, right? This is a better time, but everyone thought crypto was dead. This is where I was mainly picking up most of my shit, you know? Now it ran up and it gave back, okay? It all comes down to if you believe in the I gotta stop saying that. How cyclical crypto is. I showed you and laid out in my video why the 4-year cycle has been more or less pretty accurate to a point. Some people think it's gonna break at a point, but I haven't seen it yet, so I'm not gonna plan on that. It doesn't seem prudent to do so. It's much more prudent for me to plan on the pattern that's played out over 11 years, right? And that says that crypto runs up, like in 2012, 2013, it ran up, gave some back. It recovered, blow off top. This next 2014 bear market occurred, crypto ran up again, 2017, gave a lot back. Ran up a little bit. Like this was the different one. But 2013 was much more similar to what's going on here. You can see it. See that? Well, let me go to weekly so you could really see it. See? So this mid-cycle high was pushed into July, much further out in the year. So the recovery was more like a boom right away, and it was much more exponential. It was like cleaner. But 2013, we peaked almost exactly the same point in April 8th. This current cycle, we peaked at April 12th. It's almost the exact same. And the structure is much the same, right? Large dip, prolonged down, took some time to recover, then in October blew off. Okay? So if the same thing occurs now because the structure looks more similar than in 2017, yes, it would make sense to buy now. But it doesn't mean to keep buying all the way up as the blow off occurs. That's what I did, and that's how I got wrecked. Trying to impart some wisdom on you, but you guys are adults, not financial advice. Do what you want. You know what I'm saying? It could continue to go down. Could it hit 20K? I can't really rule it out. You know, like I can't say it's definitely not going to happen. I don't got a crystal ball, but what I'm saying is this. Typically what we've seen at the end of the year, crypto has gone up on the 4th year of the cycle. If it gave back about 50-something percent, 60%, some altcoins, 70, 80% already. Well, no, 75%. Luna gave back like 75%. Isn't that a good time to buy something when it's less expensive than it was a couple months ago? In an upward trend? I would say so. You know, I just want to like really emphasize to you guys that sometimes you want shit to be a certain way and it just ain't the case. You know, I wanted Bitcoin to go up in 2018. I wanted to go up in 2019. And guess what? That shit stayed down and I had to deal with that. That's just life. You know, like shit. I mean, damn. I would just like to wake up with $7 million in my account every single day. Just like we could all want what we want, you know, just have a realistic expectation, because you're going to hear people say, well, I think it's going to hit this. It's like, well, it could, but it also couldn't. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just try to have a realistic expectation on things. Know where you are. Have a situational awareness in the cycle. It's all about the cycle because the trend ends at a point. The long-term trend over the existence of crypto has been up and to the right. But the interim trends between cycles have over appreciation, under appreciation. You don't want to be caught in a situation where you're investing greatly into over appreciation and then you sit with your bags going to under appreciation. That's what I did. I'm not saying shit that I never experienced before. 49 people, it's good. But what I will say is this, guys. You guys could look at it. I'm not freaking lying to you. I'm not making an opinion up. This is what occurs when I drew out the dates on the chart. November, December 2013, this shit ran up. November, December 2017, this shit ran up. This looks a lot like that. When October comes around, we should start seeing at least the retesting it here if this same thing occurs again. And then November, December, this shit should run up. Is that crazy position? I don't think so. All right. I think I beat that into the ground. Just made Zcash my third biggest holding this week. BTC and ETH. Good timing. Looking for some BPRO gains. Awesome. Awesome. Hey, and Zeke, just FYI, I've decided I'm going to swing trade my MHC. Once it gets to about next all-time high, just want to let you guys know because I did make a video on it. MHC. I picked mine up about 1.3 cents. It's currently sitting at around that same spot. Once it hits back around probably 10 cents or so, I'm going to swing trade that. Swing trade it because my methodology is this, guys. I have altcoins that I think are blue chips and can withstand like more consistent gaining into the bull run. I don't really trust any of them to hold on to gains in the bear market. But as time goes on and things start popping off, I'm starting to scale out of my smaller coins, hold on to my bigger ones, right? Because they got more liquidity in them, right? And when things pop up, like you know how penny stocks move, right? Up, down, up, down. You got to harvest and pay attention to those small cap cryptos like much more. They're more maintenance. And as time goes on, I want to get easier and easier. So I'm going to pick MHC, few others, RSR, just like my smaller positions. And then at that point, I got to decide, like, what am I going to do with this? Am I swing trade it? If it's late in the cycle, I'm probably not going to swing trade shit because I don't even want to, like, chance dropping that shit. But just FYI, because I know you're an MHC. 51, what's up? Honestly, although this time could really be different, if you sell, be ready to buy back in. Yeah. Chill money, but you know. I mean, if I had a penny every time I heard that, I'd be a rich man. It could be, though. That's why I said, though, guys, like, I'm not selling all my crypto in, you know, at the end of the cycle. I'm holding, like, I'm probably, my initial plan, this is not what you got to do. Not financial advice. Initial plan is to hold 20% of my value, you know, throughout. I'm just going to be okay with seeing a drop. But again, like, with the off chance that the cycle just changes, and that's not typically what geometry does, but if it changes, that means Bitcoin and crypto are going to be a lot of money. And I don't have to have as much as I used to still be affluent. You know what I'm saying? So I could downsize my position to prepare for what I see coming in the pattern. Goddamn Gardner. My bad, guys. Gardner's. Chihuahuas, Gardeners, god damn it. But you know what I'm saying? I see a pattern play out over 11 years. I'm going to capitalize, take profits on it because I've seen it play out, and I would be a fool not to like account for that. But just in case I'm wrong, and this time is different, I'm carrying a small balance into the future. And if crypto doesn't go down, then that small balance will become a greater amount because then we're talking like hyperinflation. If hyperinflation occurs, then damn, I mean, you don't think Bitcoin's going to do good? That's my rationale. Just want to lay it out. I'm not some dude just like having no reasoning at all. I got reasons. But I think the strength is in it. The way I think is different than a lot of like investors on YouTube is I admit the fact that I could be wrong. I could be wrong. And I plan for that. This is the difference between portfolio management versus trading. Trading's in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. At a certain point, like portfolio managers are like, okay, but like, what if shit really hits the fan? What if my plan is, then I'm totally out of the money? No, I ain't never going to be out of the money because I'm playing both sides of the street. 51 people, what's up? Hey Dub, hope you're well. Still holding tight. Little market movement this weekend, nothing major. Nothing major. I want to show you guys this next chart though. Is that cool? How long we've been doing this? 45 minutes? Cool. And if you guys, in case you guys don't know, we're doing a Bitcoin Cash giveaway. We already gave 2 QRs away so far. Download the Bitcoin.com wallet. I know you could scan QRs for Bitcoin Cash QRs and you receive it that way. I throw it up on the screen for 10 seconds. First come, first serve. $20 in BCH. Thank you to the Bitcoin Cash community in celebration of Bitcoin Cash Day. To think 2018 or 2014 will repeat is disregarding all the things happening that haven't happened before. Ethereum has only been around for 6 years. DeFi and NFTs didn't even exist 2 years ago. This is huge. It's not disregarding shit, man. You know? Like, to be honest, Chim Money, I'm showing you a chart. Show me the chart. Geometry don't lie. Show me the chart. You know, like having a YouTube channel, a lot of people tell me, well, this and that and this and that. It's like, okay, everyone said stuff like this in 2017. You know, they said this shit in 2017, and guess what? My bags dropped. And then none of them, like, they all went quiet. So this is like a thing, man. Like, you can, if you take a position and you go all in on that one position, one outcome, you're essentially taking a long on the future. You're taking a option call in the future. But investing, a lot of the time, guys, it's not about predicting and being 100% right, 100% wrong. It's about managing your risk. That's how I'm going to run my channel, you know? 52 people, what's up? What's up, Dub? Been a while. Hope you're well. I am good, man. I am good. BCH wave 2 incoming. That's what I'm saying. It slept on crypto. BCH typically does very, very well in December. And just like the geometry shows, December looks like it's lined up pretty well because, you know, Kim.com is releasing his platform in Q4. Is it December? Probably. Have you tried the pilot test for Bullish Exchange? Really? I thought that was for only institutional peoples. I mean, I'm not registered with them as an institution, but they're doing that. So EOS. $4. Hey, still above the price I got it at. If you guys don't know, I picked up a Bitcoin loan, bought into this shit. So I'm in it for the long haul on this one. I just want to say, hey, because I'm paying like premium payments on it, you know, over time. That's what has to happen when you have a loan. You got to make payments on it to service it. Dude, I'm going for that grandkid story. Grandpa bought this house for $7 a month. Moon time. Feeling good, guys. I'm feeling good. Feeling great. You guys want another Bitcoin Cash giveaway? It's the third one. Then we'll leave the last 2 for the last hour or so. You guys want to do it? Want to do it to it? How you feel? How you feel? In a second. I'm like a puppet master. Ha. Okay, let's see. I want to show you guys the chart first. Then I'll show you that. I might show you in between the chart. You got to look at this chart. It's important. Okay? So we're going to look at altcoin market cap. So I did some similar red lines November, December as well. You'll see in 2017, altcoin market cap ran up in those 2 months about 600%. Okay? That's why I'm saying, like, I plan to pull most of my position, or 80% in those 2 months, is because historically speaking, that's when altcoins have had the most money in them, carrying 20% further on. And I assume the risk on that. I might make it 30% based on what's going on. The one caveat I do have is if Bitcoin is not in all-time highs at that point and it's like creeping up, then I'm not pulling at that point, because I do believe that Bitcoin will exceed its $65,000 mark. I'm open to changing my position. But as far as I know, like as far as I can tell, we're not in October yet. I don't have enough time or information to be calling an audible, right? So like, I'm not going to do that, but that's my one caveat. But I'll be here to talk about it. I'm up here 2 times every week. So we'll be talking about that. But okay, check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Everyone thought it was going to fall down to here, die a horrible death on the bathroom floor, shaking and shit. Jimi Hendrix style, dude. Nah. Started rising up, and we're on the weekly. Let's go up on the daily. What's this? What is this? What the hell is this? Got me so psyched when I saw that shit. It's a freaking wick. It happened on July 29th, a couple days ago. Someone pushed a shitload of money all up in the altcoin market cap, bought a lot of some altcoin, pushed the market cap up 320%, came right back down. Okay, DubDigital, that's a fluke. Yeah. The altcoin market cap went from under $1 trillion to 3.5 trillion on a wick. What the hell? Who did that? Even if it was coordinated, it had to be coordinated to be so fast, or it could have been a single entity. What is that? Got me bullish as shit right now. Okay. And like, that's just like not even an impulse. That's just a wick. Wicks are typically direction, as long as it's not like a fluke on the chart. But the reason I don't think it is because we're going to jump over the Bitcoin dominance real quick. And it has the same wick as well. And guess what? It's on the same exact day, because down means money's flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. And we know what's going in altcoins because we saw it on the altcoin market cap. That's on July 29th as well. What's going on here? Seems strange to me. Should drop right down to 17% Bitcoin dominance. And we're currently sitting at 50. This thing lost. Whoa. I'm not going to disregard this. I've been saying that at a certain point, institutions or people or whatever are going to rotate their profits in altcoins. The rotating the profits in altcoins, this is my speculation, at a time when altcoins are depressed in price. That sounds like smart money to me. I mean, that's what I would do if I had billions and millions this is something at a time smart money would be making moves. And you see that. That's interesting. What do you guys think? What I think is we're going to do the Bitcoin cash giveaway. So get your QRs up. Get it ready. Get it popping. First come, first serve, up on the chart up on the screen for about 10 seconds. And let me know in the chat if you got it. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. Ready? Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Bang. Gotta let me know. Oh, wow. Let me know. I got it, bro. Andres. Hey, 2002. That's the numerology. Congratulations. Thank you to the Bitcoin Cash community. This is really cool. I'm glad it's going better than the last one. I think because I have better internet now. Right? You know how it goes, guys. 52 people, though. Wow. We're working our way up to our all-time high. We almost had 100 people in here during the run. So we should be having more people in here soon enough. But let me catch up with the peoples. I gotta catch up with the peoples. Give me a second. But what do you think about that? I saw that wick today. I said, what the hell is this? New money don't be making moves when it makes sense. Smart money makes moves when it makes sense. That's a drop of 50% of the current Bitcoin dominance. Boom. Whoa. What's it going to look like when this November, December comes around? I had a crypto punk made of me. Hey. I'm a bit disappointed with EOS. Bullish basically started trial, but price stays at bottom. Aren't you guys disappointed? No. Bro, it's a down cycle. Like, what, you expect EOS to just pump as a like anomaly? Like, that's not how the crypto market moves, man. Like, Bitcoin's down, altcoins are going to be down. You know, I'm not disappointed. Patient money makes all the money. And I told you in my 4-year cycle video that altcoin market cap ran up like 600% in a shit. I don't even know. Like, what, 2 months? Bitcoin Cash went from $300 to $4,000 in 2 weeks. If you guys are looking for steady gainers, you really should be sitting in Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Or ETH or some bigger cap. But like, you know, EOS at this point, it still gets a lot of hate. You know that. You know people be hating on EOS. It's gonna be one of those things where it's like people are cold on it until they're like hot about it. But like, tell me, look at the fundamentals. How is it not bullish that they're going public on New York Stock Exchange with the next president of the New York Stock Exchange joining Bullish Global? It's all about perspective and time horizons. Hello, DubDigital. Could you take a look at MHC Master? This project was released a couple weeks ago, and it looks like it's doing well, but I want your opinion on the graph of the project itself. SHIB? Mead. What's the ticker, man? Give me the ticker. I can't look it up. I only use CoinMarketCap for these, and can't look it up if I have a ticker. So if I don't have a ticker, my bad. Anyone holding BIDAO? I'm holding this one since ICO, man. This is taking a while to catch some steam. Yeah, man. Like, I saw that BIDAO, the whole thing with the BNB and like being a stable coin and all that. I saw that like 2008, 19, and I didn't get in because I was like, trying to scam me, man. Never jumped in. Sounds like it's not a scam, but yeah, I'd expect it to be blowing up sooner. The graphics on your last video were very well done. The Bitcoin chart was helpful when in doubt. Hey, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, you know, you guys like those shorter videos, like under 10 minutes, or the longer videos over 10 minutes? Because like the longer videos do take longer, but if the 9 minute, 8 minutes doing it enough, let me know. Because I'm down with that. Man who catch fly with chopstick accomplish anything. There's a fly. There's a fly there. You see that? 55 people. What's up? What's up, Dub? New here. Where's EOS going up? I hope. Yeah, man. Just talk about EOS. It's down. You got to know how crypto moves, guys. Right? EOS is altcoin. Even though I know people love EOS and their own coin here, like Bitcoin, like shows sentiment, shows people, makes them feel bold. Like Bitcoin's going up, everything's going up. Like, you know, you gotta wait for Bitcoin to go up. Then EOS is gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? I own it. I hold it. Not doing anything. Not saying anything I'm not doing myself. Putting all my time and energy into crypto right now. Decided not to continue teaching next year. Big decisions. Might be the last chance for crypto craziness. Opportunity meeting, preparation. M. Jordan type luck. Hey. Okay, well, hey. I know. This whole thing has been hard on teachers because you guys are teaching remotely and stuff. My mom just retired being a teacher too. She didn't want to do that shit no more. I feel you. Be humble. $20. Thanks, man. What the fuck? Gardner. I'm going to go out there and uppercut this dude up onto the moon. Moon time. Shout out to Dub and the Wolf Pack. Homies, we really was in here grinding, feeding off the positive vibes. I really will meet some of y'all in PR one day sooner than later. I got a lot to learn, but a positive is forming. Cool, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. Never ask for your money. Don't mean I don't appreciate it. Yeah, man. I mean, look, and sometimes I get a little more intense. Like, I'm a man of many masks, you know, different faces. I'm goofy sometimes. I'm serious sometimes. I'm tough sometimes. I tell you guys what you need to hear. This is what I wish I had. You know, sometimes it's not like the funnest to hear, but it's what you need to hear, you know? And when it's running up, I already see it now. Going up, going up, going up, going up. Run it up, run it up, run it up. People say, oh, shit, yeah, this and that. Oh, it's going to 1 million, it's going to 10 million. And I'm going to be sitting over here saying, I don't know. And you're like, shut up, DubDigital, I hate you. And I'm like, okay, I see it now. I'm forever the unpopular person, but like sometimes you need someone like that on your team. I'm trying to look out, you know? But yeah, like I try to share the vibes, man, because sometimes like people be tripping. Got to keep it light. That's why my videos tend to be a little less like serious, you know? But right now I feel like it's a time when people need to hear it, man. Like I showed you the chart. I showed you like every cycle on the 4th year, there typically is some kind of correction. It's like pulling the rubber band back. Do you believe me, not believe me? That's immaterial. I'm just showing you what's happened before. It's up to you for you guys to decide if you believe in that or not. It's DubDigital. Hey, what's up, man? Appreciate you. Hit the likes, please. Thumbs up. I like it. Check out the unusually high BCH BTC volume today. Is there? Damn, these people be pissing me off out here, man. Go out there and roundhouse kick some of these dudes. I didn't see it, man. I didn't see it on at least in the CoinMarketCap Bitcoin chart or Bitcoin Cash chart. My bad. Nah, hello. BCH up 21.5% in the last 7 days. Try to tell them, guys. Put out videos. One of the only dudes on YouTube making videos on Bitcoin Cash. I don't even know why. Hey, I was out here, you know, I used to watch like YouTube and be like, oh, like it might be hard making a YouTube channel and stuff. But I started looking, I was like, these guys are covering the same goddamn coins. I just started doing like, you know, niche coins. Like, end of the day, like they're good coins. For some reason, like there's just coins that people go like, okay, we all hate this coin. Frank, you hate this coin? Frank's like, I don't get it. EOS, BCH, XRP, but they, you know, I did a couple XRP videos. It's hard to break into that community. They got their peoples already. But hey, I see a world. I see an interoperable multi-chain world. That's the difference. And when you're sucked up all in your coin, like this is it, this is the end all be all. You can have your preference. I'm not saying anything against it. You know what I'm saying? What I'm saying is like once you open your eyes, you look around and you're like, oh, there's not just this opportunity here. It's all around me. That's an abundance mindset. You know what I'm saying? That's abundance mindset. You start realizing that opportunity isn't really limited. It's been all over the place. It's just what are you open to? 44 people, what's up? In relation to Bitcoin, it is characterized variously as a spin-off, a strand, a product of a hard fork, an offshoot, a clone, a second version, or an altcoin. Yep. It's people are always trying to categorize things. They're always trying to fit into a tribe, a clique. Say this is the good one, this is the bad one. Like have a villain and a hero. Like that's the dichotomy of like the human like mind. It helps people rationalize. They always want to think that they're the superior version. They're the better. They're the good. But that's the life, you guys know, is never that cut and dry. Things are never really black and white. There's always gray. It's always gray. And for people just to say Bitcoin Cash is inferior, I think is a gross oversimplification because they focus on different things totally. One is digital cash. You can't say it's not. One acts as digital gold. You can't really say it's not. Because looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it holds value better in bear markets. I think both of them have a leg to stand on. But to say that one use case is inferior to the other, they do different things. You know what I'm saying? That's just the difference of how I think about stuff. I think it's not popular at all. I'm past that point of caring. Oh yeah, we got that. Cool. Okay, I'm just trying to catch up. There's a lot of people in here today. Damn. We're gonna do another one. Another two. We have about $40 more to give away on Bitcoin Cash. 46 people. What's up? I hope there's bear on the moon. Oh, there is, dude. There's beer on the moon. There's also some green. There's also, slapping speakers, low riders and shit. Nelson's a freaking beast. Scared money don't make money. Stay strapped or get clapped. 420. Hey guys, come on, man. Let's be real. Let's be freaking real. Can I be real with y'all? I think I can. I'm the realest dude on the internet on crypto. You know it. I know it. Hey, do you think people who got rich in the world, they played it safe? No. They played it safe. Everyone would be freaking rich, and they're not. Almost no one's rich. That tells me most people who play it safe don't get rich. You know what I'm saying? You just got to be okay with the consequences. The real question is, do I have the guts to take the risk to be rich? Now, I'm not saying taking unrealistic, crazy, irresponsible risk. But what I'm saying is, are you willing to risk? Are you willing to give to get? You got to give to get. That's a law of the universe. You can't make something out of nothing. You can't squeeze water out of a rock. You know what I'm saying? That's what, if you're in crypto now, you have the opportunity to make life-changing wealth. You also have the opportunity to lose some wealth. But what I talked about earlier on in my videos, and I strayed away from that term, but I'm going to come back to it now, is the concept of asymmetric risk. You can lose this, but you can gain this. And when the risk reward and the reward is greater than the risk, that's typically a good investment to participate in. Because most investments in life, they're like equal risk reward. So you can make as much as you lose. That's not great. If I can lose my initial capital of $10,000, but I can make $1 million, that's something I can mess with. That's an educated risk reward ratio. 48 people, what's up? Head and shoulders on BTC, meme of the cycle. Time will tell, but everyone was saying the head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. But like I said, guys, like I will continue to say, I mean, look. Cycle high 2013, about $1,124 or whatever. We had a similar drop down right here. From the cycle high to the bottom of that was only 53% up from the all-time high in 2013. Okay. Cycle high 2017, about $20,000, right? We recently came down at the lowest point between the all-time high in 2017 to the lowest point of this cycle on this mid-cycle correction. It's about 53%. About 50% in between this, about 50% in between this. Then what did it continue to do at the last cycle? And it ran up about 1,000%. I mean, just based off of the structure, you know, and all that stuff and everything that's happened every cycle, let's just add 1,000%. It might not be that big, but let's just do it just for shits and giggles. $400,000 of Bitcoin, about 350,000. Okay. What about this doesn't seem consistent with previous patterns? You know, because 53% above all-time high, that's ridiculous. That's not something a crypto vet would say. My God's a multiplier God. We ain't playing around out here. I'm not in this for 53%. The hell? What do I look like? So every crypto professional will be out by Q1 2022. We're going to need a lot of dummies to make me rich. I lined up a couple buddies that have too much. What are we doing? What are you doing? I'm not saying every crypto professional. You know, there's people out there who have a lot of money who probably be in it and get wrecked too. It don't matter about how much money you got to get wrecked. You know that. We got a lot of rich people up in here, first time in crypto. They might get wrecked too. Getting wrecked has nothing to do with your bag size. It has everything to do with just knowing the crypto space. So what I'm saying is there is a potential for this time to be different, but it hasn't been different yet. And I'm not in the business of hoping for an anomaly. I'm in the business of making money off previous patterns. You know what I'm saying? That's the difference between more or less gambling and investing with the methodology in mind. This is very, very, very important to make repeatable gains and hang on to increased purchasing power. You know, guys, like you might have to go through 2 cycles. I did. You know, like if your bag's not big enough now, you might have to, this might be a longer term play than you thought it might have to be, especially if you're not working with a lot right off the bat. You know, but hey, it's doable. If someone told you that you could grow your wealth by like, I don't know, 1,000 times, but you had to wait 8 years, most people sit in the stock market, they hold that shit for like 30 years. You know, so is 8 years that really that long in the grand scheme of things? Not really. You know, just most people, they don't want to hear it. So they just hope for this, like, oh, this is the last one. They're hoping for that lottery play. I hoped for it before too. Didn't work out exactly how I wanted. Just saying. Let's see. Do you ever stop and wonder where the love is? Yeah, man. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. 53 people, what's up? Sup, Dub? Where were you last week? Oh, I was here. Where were you at? I did my live streams, man. I'm always here. I haven't missed a day since I was a little DubDigital. This is some life advice right here. Blind Dave, teach a man to start a fire and he'll stay warm for the night. Set a man on fire, he'll stay warm for the rest of his life. I'm man on fire. We got Deshaun over there set himself on fire, smoking too many J's. I got love for you, Deshaun. Represent. When the Sunday stream gets more than 77, that's when I'll start taking profits. I dubbed it the Dub Indicator. Let the people know. When it gets to 1K live viewers, you can find me on my own island. Yeah, dude, that'd be sick. I started with like 9 people. Pretty sick. Sick with it. I started this channel, 26 people. I started this channel not even being a crypto channel, to be honest with you. I just used to vent when I was working my day job, sitting in my car about life shit. Because I'm bored as shit. I was like, oh, people don't want to hear about me talk about this shit. Switch it up. I said, well, I'll talk about something else I know about, crypto. Yeah, people like crypto, right? Right? It took me a long time to go over 100 followers, though. I left my job, started this. Everyone was like, you idiot. Freaking idiot. What are you doing? I was like, shut up. I got the vision. It's been working out for me so far. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Let's see. Dub's on point. Hey, thanks, Shane. Thanks, Shane. You're on point too, man. ETH compatible BCH, sidechain, smart BCH successfully launches 3 nodes. Holy F. Nice. Yeah, if you guys don't know, smart BCH is basically Bitcoin Cash using layer 1 to scale Ethereum. Never gets talked about, but I do have this weird theory. Tinfoil hat. Get it on. ETH, BCH. LTC, BTC, ETC. Why these conventions? Is this just random? I don't know. And you know what? Bitcoin Cash is green. Ethereum's green. Am I reaching? I might be I might be reaching. But yeah, no one knows about it. No one knows about it. I can't even understand the updates when I read it. No one knows about smart BCH. Everyone's looking at Matic over there, and no one knows about smart BCH. I'm like looking over here like, you guys don't see this shit? And everyone's like, no, we don't care. And I'm like, okay, that's basically how I've been investing this whole time. I just like look around, be like, you know about this? Okay, you guys already know. You guys don't know about this? Okay, I'm gonna buy it. You know, everyone wants to pick the blue chip winners, you know, and I'm always the one who's like, oh, what if you're wrong though? We're not wrong. Okay, thank you for verifying that I should buy this. Let's see. Can you take a look at Baby XRP? It gives you returns in XRP. I don't know too much about it. No, I can't be looking at that on my live stream, but thanks, Chris. I'm not going to look at Baby XRP. I'm not going to look at anything that says baby Doge. No, can't be doing that, man. New to the channel. Can you disclose a bit your current investments percentage in your coins? I don't like to do all that. Like, I need some privacy on my shit, but like, I do invest in the coins I post up on my channel, you know? I mean, look at my playlist. Look at my channel. What's ever listed there, I'm pretty much invested in it, you know? But in percentages wise, I'll tell you my Bitcoin altcoin ratio. You know, that's 20% Bitcoin right now, 80% altcoins, because I'm expecting a large drop down in Bitcoin dominance, definitely heading into later this year, where altcoins gain against Bitcoin. I'm going for aggressive growth. I do have a video though. If you look back, I think it's in my investment principles playlist. Yeah, my investment principles playlist. I talk about the Bitcoin altcoin ratio, different ratios, and what you would probably want to do depending on how you thought the market was going to play out. 50-50, 60-40, 40-60. I manage this mainly like a portfolio. You know, it's not necessarily trading because, you know, it's much more hands-off, but it also like kind of based on your outlook helps it be more resilient. So you can check that out. 46 people, what's up? You do need to hit the freaking like button, man. Come on. Hit my like button. Go buy a shirt, please. So now this is the 4th year. Yeah. Bear market. I mean, you know, you're going to hear people totally disagree with me because they aren't convinced on the 4-year cycle. It really comes down to, do you believe in it or not? Our ability to agree totally hinges on that one question. Do you believe in it or not? If you don't believe in it, then none of this really makes sense. But if you do and you're open to it, I laid out a pretty good video explaining what it is, why things play out again. It's following the same pattern. But if you don't believe in it, of course, you're not going to hear me on that. So Yeah. I plan to stay in for 200 days or so left of the foraging with MHC unless I feel a big bearish turn. Are you going to take profits at 10 cents or like 80? I could let some ride. That's probably a good thing to do. It's probably a good thing to do. Because at a certain point, it's like I made my money back and some, like, but you know, crypto typically goes higher and farther than people like to think. That's a good idea, actually. You could always leave a little skin on it. You just have to be okay with it crashing. But it's like if you made your money back, just think in terms of like I invested X in, I got this much out. That's a return of this. When you know the exact amount of like percentage return you got on investment, it hurts less when it runs up high. Like, damn, it went another this much. It's like, yeah, but I got 20x, 30. It's like, goddamn, like how much more I got to get? You know, like that's why I encourage you guys to get Blockfolio, but they just got bought. It's now called FTX. Same exact app. If you have downloaded, it transitioned over. It's fine. It's just called something different. But make sure to download Blockfolio FTX or any coin tracker that lets you input your positions. You put in your positions, the amount you got, and the price you bought it at. That will automatically track what percentage you're up. So when you need to make on-the-fly decisions, what should I let go of? Because like, should I let go of this or let that? If you don't know the percentage you're up or down, you might be selling at a loss. That's not good. You know, when you want to pull, it's typically in a position of strength. You're selling at a position higher than you bought it at. And if you need to make on-the-fly decisions, how are you going to do it if you're not prepared accordingly? So make sure to do that. 48 people, what's up? I'm getting all up in Icon's ecosystem. They want to airdrop shit to me. That's fine. Airdrop it to me. And also, if you guys don't know, WanLend just did an airdrop, or they just did a snapshot yesterday, and they're going to be airdropping some percentage of their tokens or governance tokens, WAND, I think, to V1 users and stuff. I'm just getting in airdrops. I love airdrops. I got my first airdrop off of uni. That shit was significant. I'm just going to say that. I like airdrops. Can't wait to get my Spark, Flare, whatever the hell. I'm getting the ICE airdrop from Icon. I'm getting airdrops from Ohm and Balance on Icon. XPRT, persistence. You guys don't know. That's one coin I'm looking at. If this thing that really does crash down in the bear market, I'm looking to pick up XPRT. Why? Because they're paying 35% for the first 2 years. At that point, we'll still have about a year left. And then they're going to do Luna style airdrops where they're just dropping you all kinds of stable coin, all this weird shit built on top of their platform. So that's another way. Like I told you guys, capital gains are one way to make money. But then there's also like things that throw off yield, right? Like much in the way like large investors do. They want to be hands off. They don't want to be all up in this shit like forever, right? So like they try to get that shit that throws off like dividends, right? Dividend investing, where you're getting a company to pay you on a periodic basis so you live off that. So you're never exhausting your initial capital, only when you sell that stock. In this circumstance, I'm seeing staking, airdropping, masternodes as the new dividend investing. That's when I want to be picking up stuff on the bottom when everything's 95% off. So there's different ways to make money here, you know, and there's different times you should be concentrating on stuff like that. I know people I followed on crypto that they were like, hey, I'm living off of my Tezos staking rewards. They were Tezos Baker, not other people, not Blind Dave, but Blind Dave's a Tezos Baker too. You know, it's like a certain point, it's like you can live off your staking rewards. Goddamn. That's high. 47 people, what's up? Is interest in your Bitcoin loan paid BTC or stablecoin? Stablecoin, dude. Stablecoin. So it don't even matter. You know, like there's something called positive carry too. It's when you take a position, a debt position on a loan or like whatever. Basically, I'm using like a loan service for Bitcoin as a way to get a position in an altcoin, which is EOS, right? Then servicing that over time. Typically, if I use like a BlockFi or something, I'll just let you guys know, I'd have to pay like 6% or something every month. But using Salt lending, I use the Salt token to bring my interest rate down to like 0.7%. It's nothing. Then I'm just like paying that. And then with the balloon payment at the end of a 1 year term. But if you can line it up with the crypto cycle and this shit pops off like before that 1 year term comes around, and you can like pay this 0.7% monthly payment, which is like nothing. Like I get more than staking from that. So basically, I'm generating the money to pay that loan. The cycle lines up, this shit pops off, I got paid the loan. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's different strategies. When you become more sophisticated, you don't even got to use your own damn money. That's something I want to like dig more into in the bear market. Let you guys know, like, hey, this is a strategy. This is the strategy. This is a strategy. Because I think that everyone gets wrapped up on the capital gains. But you can game it to a way you're not even using your freaking money. There's all these products now in crypto that weren't around. They just were not around when I came through. But now I see this come through. I mean, hell, like I'll tell you another product that I'm looking to get into in the bear market. I think I'm gonna start a Patreon with all this shit, like strategies and stuff. Because I don't see a lot of people talking about this. But I'm just looking around like, oh, I can do this on that. I can do this. It's called creative, man. Being creative. Like I went on to a creative financing class for like real estate. And now I'm just applying that shit to crypto. I like it. Check this out. 47 people, what's up? NEXOS, DubDigital, that's centralized. Okay, whatever, I don't care. Yes, but I can use it. It's a tool. It's a means to an end. NEXOS. I'm gonna lock my freaking stables up in this shit. It's insured. I gotta look into it, but I'm pretty sure it's insured, right? Licensed and regulated digital asset institution, 35 million insurance on all custodial assets, more than 2 million instantly happy clients, Trustpilot, all that shit. Well, DubDigital, like you're giving up the keys and custodies to your coins. I'm using it for stable coins, not my crypto. Stable coins. If they get hacked and they have to pay me back in the insurance product in stable coins, they can always do that because you can print money up, dollars up like whatever, stable coins up like whatever. You can't do it with crypto. So like that risk that I usually have locking up on a centralized platform with crypto goes away with stable coins because they could always replace my shit. I don't care. They have to replace it. Go ahead and replace it. And then you get paying like what, 10% interest on this shit? And then if you own their token, I'm waiting for that shit to crash down 95% so I can buy their token because they pay you dividends on the profitability of NEXOS, the company. See, this is the shit. This is the shit I don't see talked about a lot. I can see it now. I don't know if I'm kind of psyched about the bear market. Am I weird? I personally think 300K BTC is achievable this year and that 2022 is a true bear market. But even 2022 bear market probably won't be as bad as the previous years. I mean, I agree with you on that. Just like the ups, like 2013 was very exponential Bitcoin. Super exponential because it was a small market cap. It was like moving like a lot of altcoins are now. It had like the market cap of some altcoins. As the market cap grows, it gets hard and like less volatile. It goes up less, but it goes down less. So I agree with you. I think it will still be a pretty significant correction per se. But you hear what I'm saying? As time goes on, it starts off like this. Boom, 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 boom. Right? It's called price discovery. 42 people, what's up? We're going to do another Bitcoin Cash giveaway. You guys are real ones sticking it. Before we do, give me a thumbs up, please. I'm giving you some gold today. You guys are real ones. I be dropping gems. And then also, like I was thinking about, like, you know, because I do try to share other like tips and stuff. Not tips, but like investments. Like I tried that a couple times on my channel and no one cares about it unless it's crypto. So like maybe I'll like do a Patreon where I can share that shit too, because it just doesn't get a draw here. And it's okay. And people like crypto, but I'm pretty sure there's people who are like, well, what do I do with it now? What do I do with this now? I have all. What do I do with it? So just let me know what you think about that. If that's value added, I'm just trying to get a feel you guys out. Okay. Get your Bitcoin.com wallets up. We got 2 more. This next QR is for $20 worth of Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin Cash Day. Shout out to the Bitcoin Cash community making this all possible. So with that said, 10 seconds up. First one, first come, first serve. Let me know in the chat if you got it. In 3, 2, 1. Let me know. Anyone get it? Anyone get it? 3, 2, 1. That was longer than 10 seconds. I'm a merciful YouTube host. 48 people is good. All right, I'm just going to throw this up real quick so I know where I'm at. Anyone get it? Let me know. 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 No? I'm sure someone got it. 48 people. What's good? My gardener probably heard me talking about him. He said, oh, shit, get out of here. Hey. No one got it. Oh, got it. Thanks, Dub. Oh, you got $40 in Bitcoin Cash today. It goes back to all time. That's over $100. Wow. That's awesome. All right, I got to pick it up. I got a lot of comments I'm not catching up on. Be talking too much. God damn it. Let me get back to where I was at. Smart BCH, we talked about that. Talked about this. Hold up. I think that's just an error. I don't see it in my chart. On your daily, on TradingView, what chart are you using? Because I saw it on 2, on the altcoin market cap, and then I also saw it on the Bitcoin dominance. It's usually not picked up on 2 charts, right? Right? I mean, that's weird. Hey, well, it fits in what I think is going to happen, so I like it. 44 people, what's up? Takes money to make money, always does. Doesn't always. Sometimes, though, it's easier to make money with money. Much easier to make money with money. But you can make money off of being smart, too. Using debt, but it takes more knowledge. It's easier to mess up. It's more risky. But you can use debt, ways to finance, get debt. Don't be doing that if you don't know how to do it. It could screw you up more than it can help you. Let's see. Please give these out randomly one day. I just found out about it a couple minutes ago, man, so I'm trying. Let's see. Can you show that total again with that wick? Can't find that on my charts. Yeah, it showed up today. I was like, what is that? I'm using total 2 on market on a what do you call it? TradingView. On the daily. It even shows up on the weekly. To be honest. I mean, it's right here. You can see it. Crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin calculated by TradingView. Yeah, I mean, that shit went up high, man. It's not weird. It's not that weird to me. Like, that's just a big buy. Unless it's wrong, but, I mean, I see it here too. And I'll go on the weekly. I see it on the weekly too. It should be different data sets, right? It's not just one blip on a chart. I don't know. We'll have to find out. But what I've been saying this whole time, it's not weird to me. It's just that, okay, maybe it's fear. I don't know. Maybe it's reinforcing what I want to happen. Maybe I'm being a weirdo. When does US go live on New York Stock Exchange? I don't know. I just heard about, at least last time I checked, I just heard about them launching a beta for institutions. I know that they're going to go live later this year for like just everyone, like you and me and stuff. I haven't looked at when they're going public though. Thoughts on UBT, EWT, Energy Web Token and stuff? I don't know about UBT. Yeah, I can't really speak intelligently on that, but like Energy Web Token, I like it. I also like Power Ledger. I think decentralized energy is going to be huge. I just think it's going to take a while. It might be like next cycle, because think about it. This isn't just like code now. That's like infrastructure you got to build on the buildings. It's like stuff that's got to be built in, like installed into the economy for it to actually function the way it's supposed to. It's going to take time. It's going to take money. It's been taking a while for them to get like regulatory approval by like the countries and stuff. But once it gets going, what's more valuable than energy? Nothing. Energy makes it all go round. That's one thing, man. Like I was like, I want to build like a solar farm, and at the end of the day, like contribute to one of those protocols. Sell energy. People are gonna buy my freaking energy. They're gonna buy it. You like taking cold showers and shit? No. 48 people, what's up? Dub, would love to see a vid on Osmosis TA, FA mixed up the way only you can do it. Do they have a chart on TradingView and stuff? Do they? I haven't checked. I didn't even know they had a chart. But to be honest, Lane, I've been putting my Osmosis like rewards in the XPRT. I've just been using it as a way to stack a bag of XPRT. Because I think XPRT is going to be hot because it's like basically NFT trading. NFTs representing commodities. And they've already pushed $100 million worth of trades by institutions through it. It's a tiny protocol. No one knows about it. They're airdropping a shitload. And some people be saying that it's hot. That's some people. I know these people saying it's hot. I trust them. Trust them greatly. Hey Dub, if you could do a video on how to use a DEX, it'd be great. I really like to use DEX, but I can't figure out how to link my bank or card to it so I can buy crypto. Thanks. Yeah, Jeff, you can't do none of that. You got to use stable coins. They use stable coins or Ethereum or whatever coin the DEX is on. So they don't use, you can't, there's no one working there. There's no one to take your card. There's no one to take your bank, like ACH transfer. You got to do it through stable coins. It's, you know, but I could look at doing a video on it, especially like, you know, maybe more in the bear market or maybe closer to the bear market. I don't know. I'll try to fit it in. 45 people, what's up? Yeah, Blind Dave, DM me on Twitter, man, so we can get this done. It'd be cool. Seems like a lot of these YouTubers like Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's cool, but it also gets a lot of search volume. You know what I mean? But yeah. Cardano is barely built out. Do they have smart contracts on there yet? I don't even think so, but I mean, hey, Cardano works well. You know, I've used it a little bit from the staking stuff, and they're starting to build out tokens on the ecosystem. They're doing a lot of launch pads, Card Starter and stuff. I mean, hell, like, you know, that sports network I told you about, they launched on Card Starter. Now that shit's up like what? Like 10x? Like it's a hyped ass ecosystem. They're building on it. It's not even fully developed yet, but they've been delivering on their promise so far. You know, they're moving forward, and they're backed by IOHK. I don't know what's not to like about Cardano. It's just that, like, it's not a hidden gem at all, you know? So 48 people, what's up? Dan got the left hook, though. Hey, man. Dan doesn't need to be using the left hook. Dan's like 6'3". Dan needs to be popping that jab out. Pop, 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 pop. You're taller than you guys don't know. If you're taller than someone you fight, you want to use your length. Dan need to be, you know, keeping a distance. You don't want to get close to Charles Hoskinson, man. That fool got that beard strength. It's been getting long as shit. It's like down to here, like, oh, that dude's strong as shit right now. Found Mike Maloney after your recommendations last week. Hidden Secrets of Money. Pretty interesting and best HBAR promo I ever seen. You guys haven't watched The Hidden Secrets of Money by Mike Maloney? You need to watch it, all 10 videos. It gives you an understanding of why dollar alternatives are and will, not financial advice, gain in purchasing power against fiat money. They make more fiat money, it rises the price of commodities, right? You do that enough times, people stop trusting fiat money. Confidence starts to get lost. They look for other things to hold their value better. Gold, silver, crypto is questionable. You know, see, some people say gold and silver has thousands of years of history. Okay, that's true. I'm a gold and silver bull too. But I also think crypto moves harder and faster. You know, there's something called the gold silver ratio. There's something called the gold Bitcoin ratio. There's something called the gold acre ratio. There's something called the gold DAO ratio. No one's really measuring the Bitcoin DAO ratio or whatever. It's all about relative purchasing power. Your wealth accumulation doesn't have to end at the end of the bull run. There's other things that move too. There's one that I have in mind. We can talk about that later. 45 people, what's up? Play it safe after you get the bags. Yep, that's what you see big money do. Why do you think they're all sitting in Bitcoin? Because it's a little safer. It's a little more stable. When you got $1 billion, you don't need a 30x. You don't got to take the risk of a 30x. If it goes up 10x, now you got 10 billion. At a certain point, it's like, how much money are you going to spend? That's why they start focusing their attention on risk mitigation. It's like, okay, I have this, I don't want to lose it. See that? But when you're trying to make money, you got to assume a little risk. You got to make some pretty big gains. You got to do the work up front. But you know, just know, with the increase of risk, sometimes things work out, sometimes it doesn't. That's just the way the world works. You're not working with the huge bag right now. Maybe you are. You know, we all have different situations, but you know what I'm saying? That's the thought process on it. Words of wisdom: do not trade on shrooms. That's when I do the best trading, Lane. My definition of rich is simply the ability to only do what you want when you want. Time is not money. Time is better than money. You know, that's what I firmly believe. Are you willing to lose to receive? Can you give and get back? Or are you just hoarding, scared to lose? The universe typically gives you what you give out. If you're scared, hoarding, afraid to lose, you won't lose, you just won't gain. Gotta let go of control sometimes. This is some real talk right here. Hope y'all are really listening. Don't you know it, Mario? You know what it is. 48 people, what's up? Okay. And guys, make sure to come back. Follow me if you haven't followed me already or subbed to me on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna tweet this out in a day or two from now, all time stamped up. That's what I do. It's always shits and giggles until someone giggles and shits. Oh, shit. 40 people, what's up? Rekt. I think Bitcoin dominance touches or shortly hits 50. Then it is that alt season no one talks about anymore. So that's how I know it's near. Well, you saw in my video, I said that if it went up a percentage, Bitcoin dominance rose the same percentage it did last cycle, 2017. That would suggest Bitcoin dominance of about 56 to 57%. then it will fall down. Every single time Bitcoin dominance rises up, it's fall down. Like, look, rose up, boom, fourth quarter. We're rising up. We're not in fourth quarter yet. Then a boom, whatever. This is interesting. You might say it's a fluke. Time will tell. But like what I told you, what's the overall trend of the Bitcoin dominance over time? It's down and to the right. Just saying. Proud to say I was on the first here, my homie. Don told us about you on another live stream, and we came over, all 15 of us. Hey, that's sick, man. From Mr. Level Up stream. Oh, I'll check that out. That's tight. I didn't even know that. Awesome. Welcome. I'm glad you guys appreciate the stream. Exodus versus Atomic Wallet for H-bar. I'm using Exodus. I use Atomic Wallet, and then they had some shit weird with their nodes. I was like, what the hell? I got out of there. I use Exodus. What if World Economic Forum and IMF are the real Satoshi Nakamoto? Puff, puff. Just kidding. Sometimes I smoke air like a weirdo. It's true. Who's Satoshi? Who is it? Is it this idealistic freedom technology, or is it just a fake key? I don't care, Lane. I just want the purchasing power. I'll deal with that shit later. At the end of the day, it's like, hey, does this shit give you more resources? Will let you change your life? Yeah? Then use it. This is the beast system. Okay, well, you can get out of it after it goes up. Like, a lot of people aren't in the position of choosing what form the life-changing gains come from. I just want that shit. I cannot go back to my desk job. I'll use anything. I gotta look at numerology. I gotta look at the fucking stars. Like what? What I gotta look at? I'll do it. I'm at that point in my life, man. I refuse. It's go big, go home. There's defining points in your life. Sometimes you just gotta do that shit. Love the stream. Thoughts on polymath? I like polymath. I think at some point, it might not be this cycle, but I think at some point, security tokens are going to be huge. They're going to tokenize GME. They're going to tokenize AMC. All those things that like people are starting to find out, like, why can't I trade when it's up? And they're selling on me? Yeah, it's a matter of time before stocks are decentralized. Polymath is one of those. Ravencoin is one of those. There's some other ones too. I talked with CryptoCito. Go check my last YouTube video with him on my live stream. It has CryptoCito and me on the cover. But we talked about that. Yeah, I might be a little bit early. But what? Tell me the advantage of having a centralized like stock versus a decentralized one. There's only benefits for a decentralized stock. What to do, Wolves? What are you thinking, Dub? Are we off? Are we going to see a big sell-off when BTC is back at 64K? We could. I mean, look, it's not going to be easy to break above that. I'm just going to be real. That's not going to be easy. Look at that big old drop-off. Let's go. Check it out. It has to do with psychology, guys. Just think about it. How would you feel? How did you feel? Right? Everyone's coming in. They think crypto is like, they never heard of crypto before. Oh, this is easy. I just made like $20,000. Oh, this is sick. Boom. They go, holy, what was that? Most people have never seen a drop like that in their lives. I have. A lot of people here have, but a lot of people didn't think this was possible. They ain't never seen anything like this in stocks before. They were all up in here thinking this was easy shit. Fell down. Their confidence got hurt. They're like sketched out. They think it's a scam. It's going to creep up. But like people who actually didn't sell and held down here, they're going to be like trying to get out, thinking like, oh, I'm lucky. Let me get out. Let's take break even. You know, it's going to take some grinding. That's why I think that like this is going to be a choppy area. That's why I think that I'm saying October. It could be earlier, but like I just know that people are still butthurt about this drop. When you look at other cycles like 2013, it took a while. Look, it grinded up and got back to where it was like late August. And then look at all this sideways movement. This is people selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. The people are getting out. The last people are getting out like, oh shit, like I broke even, I'm lucky. And then it takes off, shakes out the weak hands right here. So will we have a big sell-off? I don't think so. That's just what I think though, like not financial advice. I think we're going to have that like incremental grinding going on, but trending up. And then like, we're going to get all the weak hands out and then boom. So it's happened every single cycle since. I think we sell off when Bitcoin passes 100,000. Yeah, I think we'll get an incremental sell off, but like, look, that's what's going to get people's attention. You know that on the news, you're going to be talking about Bitcoin 100,000. Then all the people who had their head in the sand are going to be like, Bitcoin's a babe, we should get some. Yeah, we should. Look, because like, you know how I talk about people like to buy things more at $1 than 80 cents? Same thing with 100,000. Nice round number. It's 100,000. It's going to 1 million. That's that euphoria. That's why I think that 100,000 is not the end all. I've been saying that 200,000, 250. I showed you before, if it went up the same percentage that it went in 2013, then you're looking at 350. But hey, that's all speculation. People say, oh, this and that. It's like, it's all speculation. We won't know until it happens. Thoughts on HBAR hold in the bear market? These cats on subreddit seem to ride or die hodlers for life. Maybe the only alt I hold into 2020 thoughts. Hey, Jake, see, I'm just saying, man, like I held alts. I was a ride or die all holder for life. Through 2017, 2018, 2019, I'm still holding the fucking bags. So like, it could do something totally crazy. That's up to you. I'd just be a fool to do the same thing again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. At a certain point, I gotta like learn from my mistakes. But if you want to hold a percentage, or if you get like, it's all about like how much profit you take and stuff like that. If HBAR is a one bag you want to hold through because you just got a feeling, okay, well, what about your other bags? Did you take profits on your other bags, or are you just holding everything? You don't got to be all in, all out, or you could hold a percentage of it. Like, I just want to dispel that whole all in, black or white, or like thinking in crypto. This ain't poker. This ain't freaking poker. What I look like? Blackjack table? No. Thinking percentages, deleveraging your risk. What's an appropriate amount to hold on? That's why I'm holding 20% of my funds in Bitcoin, because I recognize that what if I'm wrong? I'm not freaking Bitcoin Jesus over here. I just want to make money. You know what I'm saying? 39 people, what's up? Blockfolio is a game changer for me. Yep. I'd like to learn some investing tips. Yeah, tight. What do you think the best privacy coins this cycle? Zcash, Monero, others. Regulation will come. OG will flip their BTC for privacy coins. See, that's the one thing. Maybe privacy coins having like their own run when regulations come, but I can't say when. I mean, I have Zcash. I don't have any Monero. I have Zen. I pretty much have Zcash and Zen. I'm making that regulatory compliant privacy play. I could always get into Monero whenever I need to get into Monero, but like, it's just a problem to spend Monero right now, and I'm not trying to go through hoops. Yeah, I just talked about the privacy. Charles said smart contract August 31st, give or take a week or two, but we will see. We will see. I hold some on speculation. I hold some too. My pops got some too. Got the homie in. Got that fool in at such a good price, man. I be investing in people's money. Well, I'm not investing in money. I'm helping them out, not financial advice. Are you getting people entries better than my entries? Fuck. 39 people, what's up? Did I miss the giveaway? No, you didn't. We're going to do the last one soon. I'm almost caught up. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we can do the last one right now. Almost 2 hours. Seems about appropriate. Again, thank you for the Bitcoin Cash community for making these donations. Very cool. This is Bitcoin Cash Day. You guys have hard feelings about Bitcoin Cash? I'm not sure why. They're really cool peoples. Helping out, giving cryptocurrency to the channel and the following. Much appreciated. Get your QRs open, bitcoincash.com. Download that wallet. You could scan it, but at this point, you should have it up and done by now. So get ready. I'm going to put it for 10 seconds. And then like scan it, first come, first serve. That's how it's going to be. It's going to be $20 in Bitcoin Cash. If it goes back to where it was earlier this year, it turns into $60. Guys, ready? 40 people? Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. Free money, guys. Where you get free money at? Nowhere. That's where. All right. Someone got it? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? No one got it? Who won? I need to know. Okay, well, while that's happening, I'm gonna talk to Tommy. What do you think of Tezos? I like Tezos. I mean, that's the one coin I would like actually consider. Well, other than XPRT, other than XPRT, I like Tezos. It has so much bullish news, and I stopped doing videos. I haven't done a video for it in a while, but like they were working with Reno, Nevada for a DAO, a decentralized organization. Master's degree in South Korea. I mean, what else you want? You know, they also have like pretty much a hard wallet for their nodes and stuff where it makes it really, really hard to hack. That's something I'm also interested in because I don't want to get hacked. They got all these building blocks and no one gives them love. They got all this shade thrown on them because of the lawsuit that's gone now. I think it's going to be a pretty big thing. But, you know, with due time, you got to let these things breathe a little, you know? Bet it was Andres. Most def. Well, I don't know. You guys didn't get it? Someone took it and ran? That's rude. Damn. Yeah, I'll try to find out a better way to do these, but it was on the fly, guys. So, you know, trying to make it work with what I got. But with that said, guys, this was Crypto and Coffee. It was fun. I do this every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I do another one on Wednesdays. Crypto Kickback at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh, shit. Andres, you're cleaning up, man. God damn. Yeah, I got to figure it out. Congrats, but I got to figure it out. I went to like 3 of them went to one dude. I guess it's not cool, but hey, it is what it is, guys. But yeah, it's been fun. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully, you know, I'm going to try to bring some relevant content, think of ways to keep it entertaining. Some point, you know, like I'm expecting the channel to start growing again. That's good. That's great. Thanks for everyone who gave me super chats. Also, make sure to stop by the DubDigital merch store. I'm coming out with new designs as soon as I get my samples in. It's going to be cool. It's going to be fire. And, you know, just eye on the prize, guys. Eye on the prize. No one said this was going to be easy. It never really is, to be honest with you. Got to delay the gratification a little bit, and I'll meet you on the moon. But until next time, guys, it's DubDigital. Talk to you later. Peace.